Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So what I have here for you is the iPhone SE leather case. Here is the iPhone SE. I've done an unboxing for this. If you haven't watched it, I'll leave it in the description as well as on the top right corner for you to take a look at. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that like button on this video. So let's get started. I've been using this for a couple of days. I really enjoyed this phone. Really nice. I mean, it's a little bit of a difference coming from, my OnePlus 7 Pro to using this. I'll get to that in the review portion of it, but today what we're doing is the installation of the iPhone SE leather case. So let's take it out. So this one actually retails for $45. There's three different color options. So there's blue, there is black, and then there's product red. Today what I have here for you is the blue one. Let's take it out of the box. And overall, really nice design. Let me bring it up for you to take a quick look at. It has the Apple logo up here, your iPhone cutouts. Let's take a look inside before I insert the iPhone SE inside over here. So this is kind of where I really like where Apple goes the extra mile and makes their products appear a little bit more premium. Before I forget, whatever cases I've mentioned, either these ones or the other options, they're going to be down below in the description for you to take a look at and click on for you to check them out, as well as in the comment section. So back to this, I really like what they've done with this case on the inside. It's really nice, plush feeling. What it's going to do is going to prevent your phone from scratching. That's one thing where I see where Apple does take care of, their phones as well as their cases. So genuine leather, 100% leather. So we'll take it in. So we'll apply the case to the iPhone SE. What you got to do is you come in from the left side. Once that's in, what you got to do is pop it in from your right side, and that's pretty much it. Let's take a quick glance at the case from the right side. What you have here is it's actually covered. It's a little plastic button over here. It feels really premium. For that premium feeling, you are paying a $45 price tag. Apple logo at the back. You have your camera cutout as well as your flash cutout. On the left side, what you're going to get is your volume rocker. Once again, plastic buttons, really nice, as well as the cutouts for your silent mode. At the bottom, it's completely open for your lightning port as well as the two speakers. And yeah, really nice case. Let me know what you guys think about this case in the comment section down below. Do you like the leather series or do you prefer the different series? But guess what I have for you for the next video? Boom, silicone case. So I'll be doing the silicone case installation in the next video. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that content, as well as the review for the iPhone SE. Using it for a couple of days, I've really enjoyed the iPhone SE. It's a really nice phone, and definitely impressed with it. So thank you very much for coming on the channel, watching this video, liking it, and subscribing to the channel. And thank you once again. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.